Welcome to Chef Bimal kitchen. Today I am going to prepare very yummy recipe which is chocolate sponge cake, and this recipe is very simple to make. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. So first of all, I have taken 2 eggs and I am going to break it. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, one tablespoon of white vinegar, one-fourth cup of oil, half cup of milk, and 1 cup of sugar. Now I am going to whisk it well so that all the mixture has been dissolved. Now I have taken 1 sieve and I am going to add 1 cup of flour, one-third cup of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I am going to sift it. So please make sure there is no any lumps. Now I am going to mix it well. Now I have taken 1 baking mold and I am going to brush it with oil, and I have taken 1 parchment paper and I am going to put under it. Now I am going to pour the cake mixture into the mold. Now I am going to bake it 350 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. So now I have taken 1 baking tray and I am going to put inside the oven. So you have to wait around like 40 minutes. Now 40 minutes is over. Now it's really hot. Make sure you have to cool down before you cut it. Now I'm going to make upside down and going to remove parchment paper. Now I'm going to cut it into 1/8 slices. So you can see this cake looks really yummy, very soft, moist and spongy, and it's very simple to make. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it.